of wood, don't we? Like a bit of wood. Snap, crackle and pop. Got quackers, I'm going quackers. Morning. It's that sort of day. Shiny, shiny new boots. Oh, look at them shiny new boots. I better put them on. I'm going quackers again. So like I say, after going quackers, it's a new boots day. And I do love these DeWalt Pro Lights. They are bloody nice boots. This is like the third or fourth set I've had now. Absolutely love them. At the minute, that is absolutely chucking it down. It is horrible out there today. But luckily, I won't be here. I literally got to wait for the tractor to turn up, hook up to that, and take me to my next job. But right, let's get my new boots on, and I'll see you in a minute. Wow, I think personally, I got my wear out my old boots. They've had it. We're now at the field that we've got to be at. I'm now heading down to where it's wet. Just got to put a tiny little ditch line across, just to let the water off the surface of the field. Let that drain down. A couple of days time, come back here and put a ripper tooth through. I could do it all in one go, but I think I'd just make a hell of a mess. So I'd rather just do a little ditch way, get as much surface water off as I can, and then come back. But right, I'll get to where it's flooded and see you all in a second. Right, I don't know if you can see it, but literally there's the start of the water there. It goes all the way across the field into there somewhere, and it is just absolutely saturated. Don't forget, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much. What I'll do is just dig to the edge of this ditch here. There's literally a short run of a ditch here that then takes it under the railway line and into the other side. So all this is literally just a temporary ditch just to get the water off. That's all we're wanting to do. Block out of the dirt because it's running down that verge. So you've got to block that up. Unfortunately, I think the sun's going to hit us in the face. Right, let me get out of this sun in a minute, and you ain't going to see nothing. There'll just be a reflection of me in the window. You can see it, but we've let the sun water go, and that's roaring down there now. Make a mess of the field, I know that. it's a bit of a messy job, but as you can see by the water in front of me down here, that's absolutely flying into that ditch now. Flying, it's coming down there along there, all the way up there to that big pile of water up there. You can see how wet it is where I've just tracked. It is horrendous on here. But that's dropped that flood in the middle there already a couple of inches. You can see the water receding as we sit here. So it is working, it is getting away. Once this is all drained and had a couple of days to sort of semi-dry off, I'm going to get my ripper tooth on and they've lost this crop in here anyway, it's rotted out already. So I'm just going to rip all of this as deep and as hard as I can get it down to the land drains. So we shouldn't have this problem here again. The reason that ditch is filling up is that's only a 4-inch pipe go under that railway line, and that can't cope with that amount of water. That's like a 9-inch pipe's worth of water going through, trying to get through a 4-inch pipe now. But saying that, looking at it, it's staying at that level, so it is getting away, which is good. Do I just give that a little pull and see if I can find the pipe where it's going out? I bet I can't. This pipe is. I can know where the two are down here, but I don't know where the pipe is that's in the actual ditch. Take it under the railway line. Right, like I say, that's that sorted for now. See it better now. That's filling up and that's going away. Do well. Right, we'll get back up to get loaded up. Now my tracks are lovely and dirty. Yeah. Right, on to the next. Right, so we're now loaded up again for the second time today, and we're off to the next job, which is some conifer trees. Got to go have a look at them. Apparently they've cut about a bit, but I've got to try and cut them, either take them down with a tree shear or pull them down, but I've got to go have a look first. But right, we'll get there and see what the job entails. Right, so things change like usual. Not doing the conifers now, wind's up too much, so I've got a nice little project down here instead. Only supposed to be down here a day, but that's going to be a couple of weeks now. So you've got all of this, and all of this on the front here, all the way through. All this has got to be raked out. All that's coming out. Then when we get to the hedge at the front, that's going to be cut down to 4 foot with a tree shear. So all this has got to be cleared out down to road level. All of this is being cleared out, the whole lot. Every single tree is coming out of here, all the way through, the whole everything. Then, once the tree is out, in here, in this part here, we're going to have a lovely big pond, big catch pond on the corner of the road. Trouble is, all the water comes down all these tracks and down onto here and floods this and floods the road. So like we suggested, putting a lovely big catch pond here, and it'll look beautiful. So got a bit of demo work to do. This old shed's got to come down. Got all this rubbish around here to sort out. So yeah, nice little project. Out of the way, left on my own. Plenty to do. It's all good. But right, let's start tidying up, make some room so I can put my buckets and that somewhere else. Try and save as much firewood as we can. But yeah, let's crack on. Oh, as well as when I'm halfway through this, I'll have to stop because we've got muck spreaders turning up Monday. So go do the muck spreading for a week and then come back. So yeah, it's all good. It's alright, I'll get some of this cleared out. There's someone had to go trying to cut these out with chainsaws and what have you. It's just easier for me to come and do the whole job. So I've got stumps here, much dirt off as I can. Really got to make a nice pucker job of this. Because technically it's in someone's garden. No, it's not part of their garden anymore. Because the landowners want this part back. So we do what we can. But it's a little bit of a tight squeeze to start off with because of all the trees. But once all the trees and that are done, we'll have plenty of room to move about. But we're in no major rush because like I say, I want to do a real pucker job on this one. At the minute I'm just knocking the stump about, just like I say, to get as much dirt off it as I can. It's coming up for 5th of November. You know what happens on the 5th of November? All the farms everywhere have big bonfires for firework night. That's what's going to happen to this. All this is going out on the field out in front of me, on the big field. They've already started making a bit of a fire, so that's where this will all go. Just be burnt up. The firewood will be kept because the people in the house, they don't like it, so that's what they're going to have. But all the rubbishy bits, they're going to go on the fire. Carry on, I'll clear a space and come back to you all in a bit. Got to be careful because we've got BT running through the top here and power as well. So you just got to be a bit careful. But right, we'll take some of these little ones out and stack them up because the teleporter is on his way to come down here and grab all this and take to the fire. Just turn around and show you what I've had out so far. You can remember a bit before, all of this was full. So I'll put it into piles now so you can just come in and grab with the teleporter and take it out of the way. This is just a rough clear and quickly, get rid of all the trees so I know what I've got ready for when I put the big pond in there. Right, we'll start taking these out. What I normally do is I take them down, re-grab, go back to the tree I've just got it off, and just snap them in half, lay it down, crunch them up together, and then just keep doing that. And eventually I get a pile there, it's nice, not too big, the teleporter can cope with it, and yeah, just stack it up, stack some piles up for them. Knock as much dirt off as we can off the roots, because obviously it's going on fire and dirt doesn't burn. So that on there, then we come to this next tree, right over the top, grab it, pull it down, and it snaps off. Beautiful. Pull it back, lay it on top. And what I'll do is I'll grab that bit there, that pile, move it out of the way so I can find a stump that just took me out of the part of that tree. Put it over here out of the way for a minute. So I'll grab this stump here. ivy stump. Grab these couple of bits here. Doing, just work my way through. There's what, half an acre here, something like that. Just work my way through and clear it all out. So I've got a blank canvas for this pond. That will look beautiful down here with the pond. I have such an issue on the road with flooding that we will do something here and to get the water off the road and make it better for everybody else, and a little bit of scenery as well. Grab that whole lot you see like that and put it behind me. Another pile for the teleporter. Right, we've got a teleporter here now as well. So it's all go, go, go. Keep saying it's cleared out of the way. Which is good because I need it cleared out of the way. I need it gone. Run that around. Try to keep something separate for people in the houses. They want it as firewood, like I said previously. Get off Mr. Ivy. You don't like the ivy. If they want it, they can saw it up. If not, it will go on the fire. We're getting somewhere, slowly but surely. Good grab full there. Lovely. Tell you what, there's more wood in here than you think. There's a lot more wood. But we like a bit of wood, don't we? Like a bit of wood. Snap, crackle and pop. Going quackers, I'm going quackers. A bit of firewood. Firewood, call it fire twig. The price of firewood these days, any bit of wood will do. Well, any old iron, any old iron, any old iron. Well, that's a big one. You know what, I'll put that on the firewood as well. It's a half decent one. Just log it up, that's perfect size, put straight in the fire. Mr. Stumpy, out you come. A little shake, rattle and rock and roll. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. That's what it's all about. Alright, got a fair bit achieved today. I'll show you. Yeah. There's, I reckon, 3/4 of an acre in here I've cleared so far. We've cleared out the front here. This was the driveway that you went through. Then up to there. So yeah, fair bit cleared. That's cleared there. I've just got to get this stuff moved. All that hedge is coming out. All that hedge across the back is coming out. And a nice big pond is going in here. That shed, got to demolish that tomorrow. Demolition day. Yeah, do like a bit of demo work. So push that down, set fire to it. Job's a good one. That hazel's coming out. That ash is coming out. All this is coming out of the tree shear tomorrow. Having a fire there. Clear up. And then start getting ready to dig the pond. So yeah. But no, don't forget, thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and just like to say thank you to everybody who has. And may the channel grow stronger. But right, it's that time of day. I'm going home. We'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe.